Hey guys, and welcome to Kiki's Art. Today we're going to make an origami fox. The materials you'll need is a piece of origami paper or any square piece of paper will do, and a pen. So get your materials ready and let's get started. So first grab your origami paper and flip it to the white side and put it so it's more of a diamond than a square. And just for the crease, we're going to fold it in half, like this. And then unfold it. And now fold it the other way. And now take this corner and fold it up to the top, like that. And take the other corner and then fold it up to that corner like that. And just fold it in half so it's like a triangle. This is a little bit tricky, but you have to take all this and fold it up to the top so it's just a straight line like that. Really push. And now take the first pieces of paper and fold it out so you see two ears. And the second piece, this is a little bit hard, but you're supposed to open it up in the middle and push on the sides. You already see it's folding, so you just push that down like that, and there's your little head. I'll just repeat that, so if you didn't get it, just open it up in the middle, push down on these sides, and flatten it down. There. Now, last step, just take this for the tail, then fold it over. Like that. It's a really easy project. And now, you don't have to draw the details, but I'm just going to, so you can just pause the video when I'm done and copy it. I'm just going to start with the nose, eyes, ears, and now the tail. And there's your fox. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like. Make sure to subscribe. Until next time, keep creating.